Good morning, guys. Today is my last day here in Auckland, so I have to run down to Manukau and get a few more stuff for my chili bin. Because I had got requested by my husband to bring him some mussels. Some mussels. I saw all your mussels. Anyway, so my uncle is getting ready to go to a funeral service today. One of their church members has left us, so unfortunately, well, there's two actually, and you know how it is, eh? It's a circle of life, always come and go, come and go, come and go, come and go, till the end, till the next coming of Jesus Christ. And if you don't believe that, yeah, well, if that's what the Bible said, that's what the Bible says. Don't blame me for it. Okay, don't be cheeky. Yeah, oh Lord, wait Lord. I'm gonna take you guys with me down to Manukau. Hey, just go for one more nosy. Wait Lord. Then I gotta come back, put it in the freezer, and then get it ready because I travel today. Our flight leaves at 7:55. My uncle's Samoa radio on. Yes, hi guys. So I'm here down at Manukau. I'm just opposite Rainbow Zen. Rainbow Zen's over there. You guys can see that long stick over there. Some of you probably have been on there. I don't know what that building is. You know that building right there? Wasn't there when I was here last time? What is it? Anyway, if you guys know, comment down below, drop me a comment down there and let me know what that building is, because I don't know, I've never seen that building there before. But Rainbow Zen, of course, when I was a little kid, I used to go there myself. Okay, let's go inside. What's this? Is this an apron? Hello, what are you doing in there? Chips for the clown. Nah, don't say that. Oh my. Okay, gotta get some drinks. Oh my gosh, my trolley's gonna be all full. And I've got no space. Take this one. Mountain Dew. Take this one. Behave yourself. Drink. Ooh, and I'll take this one. Yummy. There you go. I need some bags, please. The oysters.
1990, just come in.
Okay. Yeah, can I have 4, please? Yes. Can I have 2 Kinners, please? Yeah. No, can I have the one beside it and the one behind that one? Yeah, that's the one, thank you. So that's 4 oysters. Do you have smoked snapper? Oh, it's over there somewhere? Okay, thank you. Are these it?
Yes.
Okay. Can I have those 2 big ones, please? The one that's got the sign on and the one in the front?
Would you like to rip them together or separate?
Together, thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, arranging for Friday. Yeah, it's a coming Saturday. Arranging. Yeah. You want to write your name down?
51.60 for the snappers,
Yeah.
okay?
Thank you. Yeah, can I have that scallop there? That's $18. Yeah, please. And I'll have 2 more oysters. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, please. Thank you. Huh? Yes. Thank you. Okay. Hang on, just gotta sort the. Okay. So it's 2.42.
2.42 and 80 cents.
Okay.
I'll just write your certificate down.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you very much.
Yeah,
Have a good day. Thank you. Taxi time. Now I've got to go and catch a taxi home. I'm just thinking, do we have enough bread? Look at the snapper fillet, guys. Now I'm officially a fishmonger. No. They left here, yeah. The next right, driver. This one? The next right up the next street. Hi guys, well we're at the Mangere Airport at the moment. My mama and I, here she is. Where is she? Yeah, there. So we're gonna go and weigh our bags and stuff, check in, you know. Yeah, so there goes the Mangere Airport if you guys haven't seen it for a while. Oh yeah. Yeah. Kau look.